Hi, this is Dorothy Kilty from Raccoon Alley Creations, and this is my final flip through of the journal that I made for Teri's Crafty Christmas 2025. It's hosted by Sweet Pea Papers. There's 2 giveaways. There's over 25 prizes. There's been freebies all month and more to come. There's over 40 collaborators and over 55 videos and video series. And you can go to Linktree, Teri's Crafty Christmas 25 to get the links to everything. This is the creators, and I'm using a kit from Lotties Magic Attic, and it's Hearth and Pine, I think. Oh, shoot. Anyway, it's a beautiful kit. I'm really enjoying it. All these other people, the prizes are donated by all the other artists. And again, all this information, I'll have a link to the link tree below with the information. So this is the calendar. And I'm also going to be on the 24th with the second part of this. And then this will be up later in the month, okay? So the prizes are 2 single signature journals, 1 folio, 3 junk journal e-books, 1 gift certificate, and over 25 junk journal kits. So really lovely things to get. Now, this is my journal, and you can see I put buttons on the spine. This is 3 signatures. Excuse me. And it was actually one of my older Christmas cards I put on the top, but the Christmas magic here is from Lottie, and this is the closure is some buttons wired together, and then this is just elastic that goes over it and opens up. So now the inside, here's the button helping to hold the buttons on the inside. And then this is the first place to put a Christmas card. So Christmas cards will go in the front and back of all the all the pages in each signature, and then this is also open so more can go there. So you can see that it can really hold quite a bit. This is actually a hidden paper clip, and it can have a tag or something put in here, maybe a gift card holder or something like that. If we get it, I do have a few small pieces here, so if there's something like that I want to put in, and I want some more decorations, there are a few pieces in it. So this is a pocket, but I folded this side in to reinforce it and made it a tuck spot. I did that because not all cards are going to be small enough to go in pockets, so this way, you know, you've got extra space to hold it, okay? This is also a tuck spot. This one is open on the outside, so it can hold a bigger card if one should come along. Okay, again, I want to just talk about how beautiful these papers are, but let me go through these and show them. So here's a tuck spot. We have, that's cute, another tuck spot on this side. This is actually a belly band. I wonder if it'd be better as a tuck spot. I may turn it into a tuck spot, a side tuck later. So here we have a belly band, a horizontal belly band, so things can tuck in here. This one, I actually cut it away so that the card can go behind it. I did that once. I was thinking about doing it more, and I decided not to. But there we go with that one. It also still has a side pocket here. I put paper behind this, and then this has a tuck here. Okay, another tuck on this side, and then we have this page, which was starting to get glued together. And then this is this little band that'll hold the card with a little tab on the bottom to keep it from falling out. Here's another horizontal belly band on this one. And I'm not going to show inside all of them. They are all done. Most of these papers are from Lottie's kit. They're just gorgeous. So here we have just a ribbon attached at the top and the bottom. And I'm going to tuck it in there. And then here we have a belly band. And I have one of these pockets here attached to the belly band. And then this will hold behind it. So this does have a journaling card in it and some decorations. Okay, so now here we have, a top tuck. So we tuck it up there like that. And then this one has a corner tuck things in. Here's another tuck. And then this one is a side tuck on this side with a little window here because I wanted a little bit more of the barn to show. So it goes this way, and it can also stick out if it needs to. Okay, here we have a corner tuck. And this is another one of the peekaboo tucks. And it goes right down like that. So things peek out of the corners here and also the top. This one is another peekaboo tuck. So just like that. And here we have another horizontal belly band. This one has a little corner tuck to hold things in. Sometimes this is a good idea when you have a horizontal belly band to keep things from pulling out. This one has two tucks, a top tuck and a bottom corner tuck. And then this page has the corner tuck here. So I love all these home pages, and I love the, these are actually tucks, not belly bands, on both sides, so those two trucks. Here we have a corner tuck. I am going to make sure, sometimes when I'm gluing things, I accidentally get a little glue someplace else. So here's another tuck on the bottom, and this is just decoration. It's not a tuck. Okay, here we have a corner tuck, and this is like a bottom tuck spot here. So here's a belly band going across here, and we have it's not exactly a peekaboo, although it does peek out a little bit, but a bottom and side tuck here. Okay, here we have an inside corner tuck and this belly band. So this combines the truck that I cut out with this was a tag. I trimmed it a little bit and then have it sticking out a little bit like a tab there. Okay, here's a tuck. So these pockets are, one side is glued on, so they're tuck spots because you don't know what size Christmas cards you're gonna get. And then I mentioned this before, but I want to mention it again. My idea is that this will display this year's Christmas cards now, but also some of the special cards with family pictures or with handmade cards, things that are special for one reason or another, can be kept in here year-round and enjoyed. So be part of the Christmas decorations for years to come. Okay, this is a belly band. Okay, and here, I put it off to the side a little bit, and this is two smaller pieces put together and then decorated with this bauble, but I wanted the donkey to show because I thought he was adorable. And here again, we've got a lower one, so the Christmas cow shows. Okay, this is a postcard. This is a belly band with just a strip with these different small pieces cut apart and put on there. There's another postcard, and on the back is, this is a digital of a postcard, but really pretty. And then we get to the back of it. Okay, so now this can just be closed here like this. These little bits and pieces that I have left will go in an envelope and be stuck in the journal to use if I should need it in the years to come. So thank you, Lottie, for your beautiful kit. Thank you, Teri, for inviting me to be part of this. And thank you for watching my channel. And please comment, like, and subscribe if you would. Thank you.